Hey everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include remote start, leather seats, heads-up display, ventilated seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, bed liner, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.